Seeing Sorkin's aboard the one-off build 1991 motor sailor, built in Finland by Nauticat Yard, but it is not a Nauticat. This is a Cockpit, very substantial boat. You'll see that here we are on the west coast of Scotland and the sun's out. And you'll see by the boat that 5 minutes earlier we had a downpour. So, sorry about all the reflections, but I'm taking advantage of this, and I will duly update the pictures on a dry day. Lovely cockpit sitting area, and the cockpit behind, and the dinghy on the davits. The companionway leads down below, and there is a helming position there as well. So, moving up the deck. It's in mast furling, which I'll photograph from the other side because the sun will be behind me. Cutter rig. 12 winches on this boat, 8 of which are sheet winches. Both head sails furling. Trying to keep my shadow out of it, but nigh impossible with this sun. But at least one gets a good view of the boat. I'll go around the port side, and hopefully that will be able to see the mast furling better, which we can see there. And pilot house section. Back to cockpit. These ginormous winches. And back to the helming position. And the dinghy off the davits.